Good afternoon, my dear teacher and my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make sawdust pudding. So basically what we need is 20 biscuits of marigold, 3/4 of whipping cream, half a tin of sweetened condensed milk, and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So first we have to crush 20 biscuits of marigold. So now we have 20 biscuits ready. Now we have to crush them in the mixer. So now we have the crushed biscuit powder ready. So now once the biscuit powder is ready, we have to whip the whipping cream and then finally add the half tin of sweetened condensed milk. So now we have to whip the whipping cream. So now it has become nice and fluffy. So now we add the condensed milk, half a tin. So now we pour half a tin of condensed milk. Now we are going to mix it again so that it's nicely mixed. Then we are going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So now it's nicely mixed, so it's time to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So now we have to mix it with a spoon instead of the beater. So make sure it is nicely mixed, or else the vanilla taste will be not properly mixed. So we have to continue it until the brown color is gone. So now it's time to layer both the powder and the cream. So first we have to put one layer of whipping cream. So once a whole layer is done, then we have to put some biscuit powder. So another layer of biscuit powder is also done. Now we again put some cream and then the last final bits of biscuit powder. So this is how it looks on the top. Now we have the other layer of biscuit powder. So now we flatten the top just as a final touch. And then you put it at the put it in the fridge for till the morning, and your pudding is ready. So it is taken out of the refrigerator right now, and it has become nicely settled. So now we are going to take it into a serving bowl and taste it. So it has become nice and hard on the dough, so we're going to take it out. So now we have taken out some of it in the serving bowl, and this is how it looks like. So since the whipping cream is actually mixed with the condensed milk, it makes it a bit sweet. So it will be sweeter to taste and taste nice. I like it. So this is my first time trying it and it turned out good, and I like to eat it a lot. Thank you for watching and hope you like it.